What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how to do the ghost effect here in Kinemaster. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So first thing to do now is to click on this add, select the aspect ratio of your screen. Now we need to load in our footage, but first thing we need to do is to add a background. So click on background, then choose a background you want to use. Okay, now I need to load in my footage, which is a gray screen that I shot. So I will click on this layer, go to media, then go to your file directory and loading your footage like so. So I need to cut the starting point and the ending point of this clip. Alright. Okay, now the next thing to do is to crop this out. So click on the cropping, just drag it carefully. Okay, now I can add my chroma key. Just click on chroma key, label it, then adjust the settings. Alright, so this is good. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to make this a green screen. Just click on the background, choose the black, then add a green background to it, then save it. Alright, now this is done. Then I can change it back to black. Okay, now the next step to take now is to just click on this layer, go to effect. Now we are adding the effect on top of this layer. Okay, this effect we are using, this is the neon outline effect, and to get this you need to go to get more, just come down, you see it, this is it, neon outline effect. So you can get it, then you can use it. Okay, click on the neon outline effect, just select it. Now you can drag this to the end of this frame. Okay, now you can expand this to full the screen like so. Okay, now I think I'm happy with the default settings, but if you'd like to change the settings you can do it also. Just click on the settings, you can increase the brightness, you can bring down the brightness, you can do all sorts of things here. You can bring up the steps of the edges like this, you can see, you can drop it, but I think the default is okay, so it's really nice using the default settings. Okay, now I will save this also. Just click here, then save this. Okay, we are done saving this. We have the one that has the green screen and the other that has the effect, and it's very important to save this without tampering or adjusting this footage right here. Okay, now let's open another new layer, then choose the background. Okay, the background I'm using for this, I just go ahead and choose my background I'm using. You can use any background you like. Okay, now I'll just clear it up to match the scene like so, drag it to the end of the clip like this. And what the first thing to add now is to add the blur. Just go to layer, effect, then choose basic effect, then select blur. Now I can increase this to the end of the shot and also make this fit the screen like so. So I'll just click on the settings, then drop the step to 1. 2 will be too much, 1 is okay. Now I need to bring my green screen footage. Just click on layer, media, and go to your directory, then choose the green screen. Now I can just go to where my hero is about to start playing. Just go here, then click on chroma key, enable it, then you don't have to do anything pretty much. Okay, just click here, then you can make it fit the screen like so, but it will not be okay. Instead of that, you will just do it manually. Okay, like so. Alright, and the next step is to import the effect layer. Just go to effect, go to layer, select media, then import the effect we did, which is this. Okay, it is important that's why it's important you save the same file from the same effect, because it must match the length, the starting point and the ending point of the frame must match. Okay, just click on the effect, come down to blending, select blending, then choose screen. Okay, now we have the screen blending. Now we have to match this together. Alright, I think this is okay. Okay, now I will just drag this clip to the where I'm about to tap my hand like so. Okay, then I will cut this out, and also this. Then you have something like this when you play it. Alright, you can see the effect, but instead of doing that, I will just add an in animation to this. Just click on the in animation, just select fade, and when you play this, you see something like this. Alright, you see this is nice, and it's really nice, it's looking good. Okay, what I can just add to this, just click to layer, media, add a background, just to gauge it like so. Make this the end of the shot like so, and duplicate this and put it up. Okay, when I play this now, you can see the ghost effect. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and this is how to do the ghost effect here in Kinemaster, and I will see you in my next video.